Hi guys, it's Shannon here from ClickHome with a new video. We just dropped our new UI and we're really excited for you to start trying it out. This is just a little bit of an intro video where I'll quickly go in and show you around the new UI. Today I'll be logging in as Andrew, and as you can see we've got heaps of cool new stats on the dash, recent tasks and contracts, and even notes. I'll get more into these in another tutorial, but for now let's go in and find your tasks. If we go into My Task on the left-hand menu, it'll bring up all Andrew's tasks. He's got quite a few, so let's see how he's going. There's a couple of different ways we can sort these. You can do this by priority, client, or pretty much any of these filters in the top bar. We're going to sort them by days late and see what's there. As you can see, Andrew's got a few tasks he's running late on, and now that he knows this, he knows which ones he needs to get onto. If we go into a task, let's say order building permit, on the task panel, this is the one in the middle, you can see notes, overall progress, add documents, and much more. Then if we move into the info panel on the right, this shows some of the contract info, client details, and here is where you can find the client satisfaction score. This data is fed by customer feedbacks you use like SurveyMonkey and SurveyGogo into ClickHome. One of the handiest features in the new UI is that all Andrew's tasks stay open in this tasks panel on the left, so you can easily switch from one to the next without opening up new tabs. With all documents stored in one place, you can easily access them whenever you need. Again, heading over to the info panel, we can see Miss Lexi is not a happy client at the moment. All of these contact details are clickable, so you don't have to worry about manually typing out email addresses or mobile phones because they're all there for you. And we've even added in location of a client's build, which opens up in Google Maps. From the info panel, we can access and download any recent docs and photos, see all roles, the client's interests and commitments, and the details of the build and much more. Closing off this task and going back into Andrew's list, we've made it even easier to find exactly what you need in ClickHome. You can favorite a task and ClickHome will go in and automatically favorite that task against all jobs. Or if you want to see all the other tasks for a job, you can do this by clicking on the little clipboard icon. So going into this task, we can see all the other tasks for contract 1000256, not only Andrew's, but also those assigned to his co-workers as well. Again, we can sort these tasks using the filters in the top bar, and we're going to see their target date for completion, which is really handy for prioritizing your workload. Going into Eric's task, we can see the target date for estimating is April 19th. So if we go back into Andrew's task and choose one he's behind on, it'll be highlighted in red. We can see the target date for this task was the 13th of April and that he's running behind by 6 days. Let's go in and explore the pre-site menu. In here, we can see all the contracts at pre-site stages and client satisfaction scores. On the left panel, we can refine this list by things like milestones, roles, and heaps more. So going back to where we first started on the dash, all these stats are clickable and will bring up these items for you. So if we go into handover month to date, it'll bring up these 5 contracts. That's a quick overview of the new UI. We'll be covering some more in tutorials. As always, we love hearing what you guys think and any suggestions you have. You can let us know these by using the little feedback microphone on the left menu. Thanks guys!